What's up, guys? We are here in Graffiti Central, and today I'm going to try to do some art on Laura while recreating art. I'm going to try to copy some graffiti. I feel like I'm going to get very artsy and see how much recreation I can create of these creations that are beyond the streets. I guess let's go find Laura and start some hair. Okay, found Laura. Wasn't the other girl. Okay, so nothing. We are going to this little art installment here in downtown LA called Beyond the Streets. It is a graffiti street art style, rambunctious, I think, collaboration of artwork that we're going to check out. And what is going to happen, so you know, is I'm going to be inspired by something and then try to recreate it or do something hair-wise on Laura. I am limited. I have a couple pins and I have a brush, but it's okay because I've got my Wizarding World of Harry Potter glasses on, so I'll be able to.
You have all of this hair to work with.
And all that hair to work with. Alright guys, I hope you had as much fun watching this as we did doing it. Don't take your hair so seriously, have a ton of fun with it, and yeah, remember, this is the only place you want to get your hair matted, so like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.